Let's go on an adventure! It's Watercolor Day at Adventure. Let's go see my friend Miss Kendal and do some more painting. We're back with my friend Miss Kendal to learn all about how to use some watercolors for a fun activity.
That's right, Simon. So today we're going to be making something called a watercolor resist. So resist means to push away, and that's exactly what we're going to do with our watercolors. So you're going to need a couple of simple supplies. You're going to need some crayons, especially a white one, some water and a paintbrush, and a tray of watercolor paints. And if you don't happen to have watercolor paints at home, you can put a couple of drops of food coloring in some water, or you can use some regular tempera paint and just dilute it with water. You're just looking for something that you can stain your paper with.
Something really swashy, swishy swashy.
Very watery. Great job, Simon. So, when you're all done, it's gonna look something like this, guys. So this is what we're gonna be making. So if you see right here, these areas that have no paint, that's where I used my white crayon. So the white crayon resisted my paint and it left behind these really cool shapes. Pretty neat.
Yeah, so you do a bunch of painting and then we draw the crayons over it.
No, the first step is you use your crayon. So that's step number one. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take a piece of paper. I use some cardstock. A heavier paper, if you have it, works better because it won't get all ripply with the water. But if you don't have cardstock, regular paper will be just fine. So you're gonna take your crayon and you're gonna draw whatever you want. You could just draw some designs. You could even write a secret message. And it's kind of hard to see because it's a white crayon on white paper, so just do your best. All right, I have my design. How does it look, Simon?
It looks like nothing!
It looks like nothing, that's right. But let's see if we can shine a little light on it. So I'm gonna take some watercolors. I feel like the darker watercolors are gonna work better. So let's start with purple.
Okay.
It'll match your smock. That's right, and I'm gonna start to paint on top. Whoa.
Look at that.
I see some images.
Whoa. Look at it come through.
I know, it's resisting the color.
Oh. Why does it do that?
So, what are crayons made of, Simon?
Colors.
Colors, and they're also made of wax.
Wax?
Yeah, so wax.
Oh.
So wax.
Like from my ears?
Well, probably not from your ears, but kind of similar. So wax repels water. A lot of times on old raincoats, they used to coat them with wax. You would see the water bead up and run down because wax repels water. That's why the crayons don't soak up my paint.
Wax repels water.
That's right.
Got it.
Look, and there's my design. We can see it now, right?
Look at all the pretty hearts.
Yeah, pretty hearts, some stars. You can do anything you want, but it didn't pick up any of that color. Pretty cool.
Miss Kendal.
Yes, Simon.
I made you one.
You made one for me?
I got a secret message for you.
I want to see it.
Here, take it.
Cool.
No, take it.
Okay, I got it. Oh, I don't see anything, Simon. Are you sure you wrote something on it?
Well, I think so.
Okay, let's see. What color should I use?
Blue.
Let's use blue. Great idea. A little bit of water. Get my paint ready. Oh, I see something.
There it is.
It says, you are a great friend. Love, Simon. Let's hold it up to our friends.
You are a great friend.
Aw, thanks, Simon. That's That's really cool. So you guys can write your own secret messages at home, pass them to somebody in your house, and see if they can reveal them using watercolor. All right, guys. Well, that's our activity for today. Thanks so much for joining Simon and me.
Thanks, everyone.
Until next time, we'll see you later.
Goodbye.
Bye.